Welcome to Diffit for Teachers. If you've never used Diffit before, you can tell it literally anything, give it an article or video link, give it a PDF, or just copy paste text over, choose the grade level, and you're going to have just right student activities in minutes. Let's start with literally anything. I'm going to say causes of the American Revolution. I'm going to set this for an 8th grade reading level, keep it in English for now, and say generate resources. The first thing you'll notice, it suggests an image for you. You have others you can pick from, or you can add your own. As we scroll down, we've got this reading it created based on the topic I put in. If I say show sources, I can actually see the websites that it used to create this reading passage at that 8th grade level. If there's a source there you don't want to include, just say edit sources, unclick and regenerate. It'll rewrite the passage excluding that source. It's also going to create a summary, key vocabulary words with context specific definitions and example sentences, multiple choice questions from the reading, short answer questions, and open-ended prompts. All of these I have the ability to edit. I can add more based on DOK level. I can fine tune and tweak them and make them just right. And when I'm ready, and this is all looking like it's ready to share with students, I say get student activities, and I'm taken to this huge template library of digital and printable activities that it's going to throw everything into. I'm going to go ahead and choose this Freyer model vocabulary slide deck. It'll give me a preview of what it looks like with some content. I say get student activities, and it's going to throw everything into those slides ready to use with students. Here, I can open with Google Slides, share to Classroom, download as a PDF or as a PowerPoint. And you'll see it took everything that it created and moved it over into the slides. It's got this teacher instruction slide. Here it has the word and definition and places for students to do characteristics, non-examples, and examples for all of the vocabulary words it created. That image is now a notice and wonder activity to get students thinking about what they're learning. The paragraphs are chunked with read and take notes slides. For the multiple choice questions, students answer and explain. We've got a place to write their responses for short answer questions. And with those open-ended prompts, we're always trying to have students collaborate, speak with others, work with a partner or a group, and have a place to take notes on that. Once I've created a resource with Diffit, I can then adapt it. I can choose a different language or a different reading level, and it's going to take everything it created here and adapt it for the needs of my students. So let's start with a different grade level. Let's say I have some students that are reading a little bit below grade level in my class, and I want to make sure this is accessible to them. I can go ahead and say 6th grade and regenerate. It's going to keep that original one and create a new one at the 6th grade reading level, both of which I can go back to and throw into those student activities. So here's the new version set for that 6th grade reading level. And if I go up to my resources, I can see the 8th grade version and the 6th grade version. Let's hop back into that 8th grade version, and now let's translate it. We have over 70 languages available to translate resources into. I'm going to go ahead and pick Spanish. I can choose what I want to translate in case there's some things you want to keep in English. Say translate, and again, it'll keep the original version at that 8th grade English reading level and the new version you created in Spanish. And here it is, ready to export into student activities and share with students. Let's say you want to use Diffit with an article or a video link. You're going to start right here, article or video URL. I'm going to grab a crash course video on the scientific method. All I need is the URL for the video or the article. I head back to Diffit and paste it in. Now, if I say keep original here with a video, it's going to use the full transcript. With an article, it's going to just keep the original text from that article, but still create all the resources that go with it. The summary, multiple choice questions, short answer questions, and open-ended prompts. For this one, I'm going to go ahead and adapt it so that it creates more of a summary for students to engage with based on that transcript. So I'm going to set this for a 7th grade level, keep it in English, and say generate resources. Here you'll see it has the thumbnail from the video and then some other suggested images I could use. I can go through here. If I want to adjust the length, I can. If I want it to be a slightly longer or shorter reading, or if I want it to be that original length. We've got our summary, key vocabulary words, multiple choice questions, short answer questions, and open-ended prompts. Again, this is all based on the transcript for that video, so it's great to pair it with the video. Maybe have the students watch the video first, read, then answer the questions, and work with partners with any of these student activities we have available. All of them are available as printable or digital activities that will really get students engaging with the content. And the last thing I want to show you is how you can upload a PDF or just copy paste any text in here and do the same things we've done before. You can set the grade level, you can set the language, and you're able to create those resources. I'm going to go ahead and upload a PDF of the Declaration of Independence. I'm going to set this one for a 10th grade reading level and say generate resources. So here's what that original PDF looked like of the Declaration of Independence. Once I loaded it into Diffit, set it for that 10th grade level, it suggested an image. Of course, I can see the image sourcing information. It rewrote and adapted the passage to be a shorter summary at that 10th grade reading level. We have the summary bullet points, key vocabulary words with definition and example sentence, multiple choice questions, short answer questions, and open-ended prompts. And again, with all of these, you click Get Student Activities, choose the template or the student activity you want to use, and it's going to export everything onto those graphic organizers, onto those interactive slides, ready for students to engage with. To learn more and try it yourself, head to diffit.me, and you can type in literally anything, give it an article or a video link, give it a PDF, or just copy and paste over your text, and you're going to be able to create just right student activities for your classroom. Can't wait for you to try it out and let us know what you think.